Hi guys, it's me, your friendly neighborhood media marketing videographer, Rebecca. I don't know if any of you know this, but I have been filming my videos using my personal cell phone, which is a Google Pixel 7 Pro. It takes really good video, really amazing photos. However, since I am wanting to get a little more professional with this, gotta get more professional equipment, which means we ordered us something. So I'm gonna unbox this with you guys to show you how just professional and serious I am about making this into a career. Yes, the box is upside down. I'm not gonna allow any of y'all to, see my address or anything. I don't need anyone stalking me. So let's get into it. So excited. And of course, y'all get to watch me cut myself open in the midst of this. So I'm literally putting blood into this too. Careful with your knives, guys. Before I take this completely out, if you're just starting out with something like photography, videography, you don't need to go for that crazy, fancy, expensive equipment right off the bat, okay? The ring light I'm using right now was like 30 bucks off Amazon. I have a mic with mic stand that came from a thrift store for $24. It works really well. So keeping that in mind, you don't need to spend a lot. Don't spend too much when you're starting out. You can buy the fancy stuff when you start making that money. So, sorry if I don't get to see my blood in the video, but I got me a camcorder. Y'all, this is $65 off Amazon. It's good for starting out. Is it the best? Absolutely not. But it was, I think, like 4.7 stars. So I'm excited to use this. I actually get to use this Saturday at the Haltom Gets Hammered Volume 2, I think. I don't remember. It's gonna be a great show. I can't wait to bust this baby out and get some good video to get posted on my Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and my Facebook page. Let's get into this. Okay. I'm excited. This is a big deal for me. There's our instruction manual. My thumb hurts so bad. So this is the bag that it's actually in the bag right now. We're gonna wait until the end to get that out. Believe that is the, jeez, if I can get it out. If I can get it out. This, yeah, that's the battery, or a spare battery. Oh, no, it has 2 batteries. Yeah, your basic charging cable. Yeah, this comes with a remote. So it comes with a little mini tripod. I can film from a tabletop. So this is gonna be very useful when I do things like this. Of course, we have the adapter and the charger for the batteries. Yes, they are rechargeable batteries. Good for camcorders. I did find a old camcorder in the thrift store, same thrift store I got the mic and mic stand from. That is from the 90s. And of course it takes the 8mm tapes. However, I am gonna have to find me batteries to go in it because it won't work unless it's plugged into charge. So, but it's I love it. I want to use that to record eventually too. But the moment we've all been waiting for. It is so tiny. So this flips out. This is the screen. This is the whole, y'all, this is the camera. This is the whole camera. Just flip the screen out and record. That's it. So easy. It's so small. It is so handheld. This is gonna be so great. So great. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. You bands that are playing and Haltom Gets Hammered, I'll see y'all on Saturday. Toodles.